The life science industry, particularly biopharma and medtech companies, hold a unique role and responsibility in society. The healthy progress of our civilization.
The entire purpose of life science and medical devices is ultimately to increase the quality of life for the individual, for the patient.
The main challenge and trend in the life science industry is the technological advancements due to the advent of Industry 4 and 5.0.
The time needed to test samples may be reduced, leading to a faster release and therefore helping patients waiting for life-saving treatments.
Companies that can navigate this complex landscape will ensure patient safety and gain a significant edge in the market.
We have accelerated the development of complex work packages around CQV, automation, or CSV, for example, as well as the development of Center of Excellences or platforms to manage, amongst other, BPO and compliance, medical writing, or biometrics.
Aixial can support biotech and pharmaceutical companies with late-stage preclinical, so taking the product, the drug, into the clinic for first-in-human trials, all the way through post-marketing.
Whether the client needs execution and/or coordination, we offer tailor-made solutions after carefully analyzing their requirements.
ALTEN stays in the forefront of innovation through investing in research and development, emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, data analytics to enhance process, develop new products, and also nurturing a culture of innovation by encouraging employee skill development and fostering creativity.
We should stay attuned to the rapid evolution of new technologies, as we are constantly challenged by our partners to help them build the factory of the future.
We follow the latest technological breakthrough closely to support our customers in managing the impact of such changes.